Welcome to the ultimate unboxing of the Barbie GRG93 Dreamhouse. This massive three-story dollhouse stands at an impressive 114 centimeters tall and features a pool, a slide, a working lift, and immersive lights and sounds. Right out of the box, you can see it comes with over 75 pieces to play with. Let's open it up and see what's inside. We have the detailed instruction manual and a huge sheet of colorful stickers to customize all the rooms. Once assembled, this dream house is absolutely stunning. Let's take a look at the bathroom, featuring a clear shower door that opens, a realistic toilet, and a vanity. Down in the kitchen, the oven door opens up, and the refrigerator is fully stocked with delicious food stickers. One of the coolest features is this pink elevator on the side, smoothly moving your dolls up and down between all 3 floors. Now, let's turn on the party mode. Wow, look at those vibrant, shifting lights, and listen to the upbeat music playing from the top floor DJ booth. Your dolls can hang out on the outdoor swing chair or take a thrilling ride down the massive pink slide. It leads all the way down into the puppy pool and the main swimming pool. On the lower levels, your dolls can enjoy a meal in the dining room or relax in the living room on the pink couch right next to the cozy fireplace and TV. There are so many details to explore in this dream villa.